Okay, I'm here with Kayleanna again. We're in the cell culture room, and we are processing blood to isolate peripheral blood monocytes. The first step is we put the blood into a 50 ml conical tube. You see the two tubes right there. And then she adds an equal amount of PBS to each tube, pipetting up and down to mix it after she adds it. And then from there, once it's mixed with the PBS, she will add or layer the PBS blood mixture onto the histopack, which you see there's about 15 milliliters in each of these conical tubes right here. And we'll show you the layering in just a moment. Okay, now that the blood PBS has been mixed, she removed it, took it up into the pipette, and she's going to layer it onto the histopack. 15 milliliters of blood onto the histopack. And we got to do this very slowly so that it just layers on top of the histopack. And then the next step will be to spin this down to separate the blood from plasma and the platelets, and we'll show you how to isolate the PBMC layer. And as you can see, we will show you once she gets done layering, that the blood is not mixing with the histopack. It's just layering right on top. All right, great job. Alright, so now the blood has been centrifuged. It was layered on top of the histopack, and then it was centrifuged for 30 minutes, and this is what we ended up with. And you see the top yellow are your plasma and platelets. Then you have a more cloudy area called the interface. That is where you have your PBMCs. Below that is just the phycol phase, and then at the bottom are red blood cells. So we want to get that interface right about where the 15 mark is, and we'll stick the pipette into that and slowly pipette up until we get just that phase. Okay, so Kayleanna is carefully just insert the pipette tip right into the interface. And as you pipette up, you'll see the interface shrink to some extent. And you'll add that to a 15 milliliter tube. And you want to go until the interface is pretty small, much smaller than it was, but you don't necessarily need to get rid of it, or you're going to end up with a lot of other cells like platelets. It's okay to end up with some platelets as they won't attach to the bottom of the plate, but you don't want too many of these.